Greetings to all. Today I'm going to show you how to make a translator using Python, and we can use this translator to translate from any language to other language. In my example, I'm showing you that I'm going to make English text to Bengali text. You can also follow the same steps to do uh, uh, for translation of other languages, for example Japanese, Chinese, or the Deutsch, or any other language. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to a module for Python, and I will install that in the PyCharm. So let's Google it about the module translator PyPy. In the Google, is the first results is it is as translate PyPy. It's actually a library for different packages and modules, and here is the translate version 3.6.1. So we have to install this inside our PyCharm. Also, we can use the manual method for installing it using PyCharm. Now I'm going towards the Python packages. Here we can see the Python packages, Python console terminal. I can also use that in the Python terminal, like pip install translate. So I can do that. Yes, and I check the Python packages and I see the translate is here. Yes, the translate is here, so we can use it now. So first of all, we make a different project in our Python. We make it a different project directory for making our project. We name it Python translator. Python translator. Python translator. Translator. Yes. So yeah, translator. Okay. Now we are going to make a script for that, and we name it script.py. And inside that script, we should write some codes. For using that code, I have already tried to implement it before making this video, and I will follow from that video to here, and I will describe what I have done here for making this translator. So I start from the beginning in my new project script.py, uh, and let's write the code now. So here we should make a again visit to the translate.py. We should make a visit there. Uh, yeah, we should make a visit here, and we see here uh, different writings. It has been mentioned, so we use the method here. Usually in the project pages in the PyP, PyPy or PyP, here they have all the documentation for using these packages. So we should follow it, and we should learn about how to do it from here. Now we follow this uses a Python module. So I copy this line and make it inside the code as a paste, and um, again I get a visit to the place here, translator line, Z8. I think there is something like China or something like that. And I can copy it and paste it, and yeah, and then I should write a language which I want to translate, and I think that it should be there. Okay, yes. Now I go there, and I open this I print it. I print it like that. Print it like a print. Translation. So I run now the script here from the Python menu, and I see here. Yes. Okay. Just run it, and yes, it's a Chinese language that is from the example of the documentation side, but we can now make it from any other languages for like and also we can use the different translation provider. Here we are using the Google Translator, but we have also can use Microsoft or another provider for translation. However, now we should see how we can change it to the languages for other languages like Bengali, or Deutsch, or any other languages. So we should go there and read the doc, and in this doc we see here the translate Python documentation and the blog version downloads, development, things like that. We're given others. So yes, and overview. No, no, no. Next tutorial, marketing provider. Okay, now I go to the option. Yes, here it has been written the country code was the following. So I think as the country code is EN for English, and now we can use the country code for Deutschland. I can use the DE, and I see how is the uh, things changes. Okay, now that is I'm Gehege. That's Gehege is a pen. Now I do it in Bengali. BN. BN is it at a column. Yes, it's now working. It's working. Now we make this code a little better. How we can make it a little better? It's already working. It's a good sign for the project. So no error yet, and the code is working very nicely. So I make it a little complex, and make this as a word from text. It will take the word for translation from the text file, and it will save in another text file the translation. Uh, we are seeing that in the console, but it will save also in the text file. So I write the code for that. So let's follow me. Now I'm doing it like that. Uh, yes. Uh, okay. From translator. Try. Uh, print. uh, t trans translate text, translate translation for translation translation for text. Now I open this file using the mode R, and I make it as a my file file no, file translate text for translation. Okay, now sorry, text for translation, text for translation, text, and I name it another variable, text for translation, text for translation, text read, reading the file. Okay, and okay, now we are making we're creating a text file in the Python translator project directory, and it will be like that. Putting this translation text there. Okay, this is the pen. It will be a very simple one, and I'm deleting now. I'm deleting it now. No, I'm giving back translation equal equals translation equals translator the translate is equal to text for translation. Text for translation. Yes, this thing is now going towards that module function, and now I need to print it and check it out. It's giving us error. Let's now make it comment out. Okay, line 10, okay. Okay. And we have to make exception, except file not foundable as the now print let's show an error here. Please check the file that we are using. Now we have no error, so I think it has been read but we have not print anything inside the console or outside the file. So we should put it here like that. Yeah. Show the output to console, and we can save it over writings here also like that. So write a code for that to put this put this translation inside a file like that. With we are opening, we're putting name for the file here, like save the translation translation text, and we're writing it as a mode here. Mode is equal to writing and and uh, as text after translation. After translation, text after translation, final translated text. Okay, no, uh, we can make it like that. Uh, we should write more like the text after translation dot write, and the output here, which is also to printing it console. The translation output here is right here, and it's again error. We should find out why the error is coming like that. I have using we should read the error first. Trace back most recent call left file linking module translation right translation series encode. Okay, 110 encode. So I think when it is encoding, Unicode encode error char map for it cannot encode characters in position 0 to 2. Okay, characters maps are fine. So I think it is a problem with encoding. So we can find some solution for that in the Stack Overflow, and we should go to Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow. No, we can write encoding in file Python. Okay. If you check the problem solution for different users, and they have written that inside there, and maybe that can make us much more writing, much more easier for us for writing this file. Yes. Okay. Okay. We use this inside the function here, so I think it will work, and we put it, and let's see how it works. Yes, it has no error. I can see no error here. So you should check here. There is a file save the translation to text already here. You see, and it at a column in Bengali in Bangla. So for translation, this is a pen. It is now translating to data column. Again, we try another line of text, like we should go to vacation. We should go to vacation. Now I'm going to translate it to Bengali. I have the English sentence here. We should go to vacation. আমাদের অবলম্বন করা উচিত, but it's not the right one, but right translation, but the translation system is working behind, so yeah, it's good. but we can use a simple text here. We should start reading. We should start reading. Let's translate it. বলতে হবে। Okay, it's sounds crazy little bit, but I'll check again. Um, I want to go outside. আমি বাইরে যেতে চাই। I want to go. It's a good translation. And, I don't know why it's not working, but let's try it. This is a this is orange. This is an orange. This is orange. This is the color. Yeah, mostly it's working, but sometimes it's making problem. So with full stops or something like that, it's making problems or lagging. But um, sometimes translations are missing, but most of the time it's working, and the system has no error and the system is working. That's the main purpose of this video and how to make it. So I think everything is clear to you now, and if you have any comments about this video, or if you want to learn, if you want to share anything, if it helps you to learn anything, just write below in the comment section, and I hope it helped you, and if you liked it, please share with your friends and family who loves to write code